Hey everyone! Did you know that the right e-bike can completely transform your fishing trips, letting you haul all your gear without breaking a sweat? Today, we're diving into the top e-bikes for fishing gear transport that you can snag on Amazon. All the links are in the description, so be sure to check them out. Let's jump straight in and see which of these machines will make your next fishing adventure effortless and fun. On number 6, AMYET Phi 9 G60 Peak 1500 watts e-bike. If you're looking for a powerhouse that can tackle mountains, snow, sand, or just your local dirt trails, this bike is a beast with a 1500 watt peak motor reaching speeds up to 32 miles per hour and a 48 volt 20 amp hour. 960 watt-hours, removable battery, giving up to 72 miles of range. It's perfect for hauling heavier fishing gear over rough terrain. The full dual suspension, paired with 20-inch fat tires, ensures you stay comfortable even on the bumpiest paths. Compared to the Ebike step-through e-bike, the AMYET offers nearly double the battery capacity and much higher speed, though it sacrifices the step-through convenience for rugged durability. It's heavier than most e-bikes, and the 32 miles per hour speed may exceed legal limits in some areas. But if extreme range, power, and off-road performance matter most, this bike is hard to beat. Whether you're navigating sandy banks or forest trails, this machine handles your gear like a champ, and the dual suspension keeps every ride smooth. What do you think about that balance of raw power versus convenience? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, 1500 watts folding electric bike. Imagine combining extreme off-road capability with a folding frame you can stow in your RV or car trunk. That's what this 1500 watt folding bike offers. With a 52 volt 20 amp hour, 1040 watt hours, battery, and top speed over 30 miles per hour, it boasts an incredible 80-mile max range. The dual suspension keeps rough trails manageable, while the 20 inches by 4.0 inches fat tires and 7-speed gearing ensure traction and stability whether you're climbing hills or rolling over rocky paths. Compared to the AMYET Phi 9G60, this bike brings slightly higher voltage, longer range, and the folding convenience for storage, though it's very heavy and still exceeds most legal e-bike speed limits. It's ideal for anglers who need a bike that's both powerful and transportable. For those who love weekend fishing trips in new spots, the folding design means you can bring it anywhere. Between the AMYET and this folding model, the choice comes down to whether you prioritize raw power for extended off-road adventures, or a bike that's easier to store without sacrificing much performance. Which would you choose for long fishing excursions? On number 4, Qlife Triker Plus Electric Bike. Stability meets utility in this three-wheeled wonder. With a 1200 watt peak motor, 48 volt 13 amp hour battery, and up to 65 miles of range, this tricycle is less about speed and more about hauling gear safely. Its 20 by 4.0 fat tires and folding design provide superb balance, making it perfect for anglers who need extra stability, like when crossing uneven terrain or carrying heavy tackle boxes. Unlike high-speed bikes like the 1500 watt folding or AMYET models, the Triker Plus focuses on accessibility and cargo capacity, which makes it ideal for seniors or riders with balance concerns. It's slower at 20 miles per hour, wider, and heavier, but the trade-off is unmatched stability and storage space. Compared to the high-power e-bikes, the Qlife ensures that you'll never tip over when loading rods, coolers, or other essentials, which could make a huge difference on rough banks or trails. For safety-conscious anglers or those hauling large amounts of gear, this trike is a clear winner. Who else values stability over speed? Drop your thoughts below. On number 3, electric tricycle for adults, 750 watts / 1,350 watts peak. This trike steps up the game with a rear differential for superior handling. The 750-watt continuous motor, 1,350 watt peak, and 48-volt 13-ampere-hour battery provide 35 to 45 miles range at a controlled 20 miles per hour, ideal for legal compliance and safe rides. The hydraulic disc brakes and independent rear-wheel differential dramatically improve cornering and stopping, making it a safer choice than traditional trikes. Compared to the Qlife Triker Plus, it may have slightly lower battery capacity and top speed, but its handling upgrades make it better for riders who need precise control while hauling fishing gear. Like the Qlife, it's bulkier and slower than dual suspension two-wheelers, but the trade-off is extreme stability and reliability over longer trips. If you're concerned about tipping or need premium braking when carrying heavy tackle, this trike is hard to beat. Between the Qlife and this model, you're choosing safety upgrades versus a simpler but sturdy trike, which would give you more confidence by the water. On number 2, EUY Electric Bike. Now here's an e-bike that blends high-end power with accessibility. The EUY sports a 1,500 watt peak motor, 48 volts, 20 ampere-hour battery, 960 watt-hours, and a step-through frame, making it ideal for anglers who want speed and long range without sacrificing easy mounting. With fat 20-inch by 4.0-inch tires and 7-speed gearing, it handles snow, sand, and mountain paths while hauling all your fishing essentials. Compared to the V9 G60 or folding 1,500 watt bike, it trades off a little raw speed for user-friendly design and quick accessibility. But it's still extremely capable at 30 miles per hour with 70 miles of range. This is perfect for solo anglers or those who need a reliable commuter capable of hauling gear comfortably on diverse terrain. If you value both performance and convenience, this bike may be your ideal choice. Do you prefer speed or accessibility? Tell me in the comments. On number 1, V8 Electric Bike. Finally, the V8 brings a unique twist. 2-seater capability. Designed more like a compact moped than a traditional e-bike, it has a 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery, 20-inch fat tires, and a long seat to carry a passenger, making it perfect for couples heading out to fish or riders needing extra utility. While its range and solo speed are lower than the EUY or AMYET, the ability to carry another person is a rare and fun feature for recreational trips. The sturdy build and low center of gravity keep it stable, even with 2 riders, and it still performs admirably over sand, snow, and light off-road trails. Compared to high-speed, solo-focused e-bikes like the EUY, the V8 trades extreme range for social utility, making it perfect for shared adventures or short commutes with gear. If taking a buddy along is part of your fishing routine, this is the bike you want. How many of you would actually ride with a passenger? Let me know. So guys, that's our full list of the best e-bikes for fishing gear transport. From extreme off-road beasts to stable trikes and even two-seater fun machines. There's something here for every type of angler. All the links are in the description, so check them out. Grab the one that suits your style and get ready to revolutionize your fishing trips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome gear reviews. Which of these e-bikes would you choose for your next adventure? Share your thoughts below.